Ladies and gentlemen, you're interested in starting a photo booth business because you realize there's money to be made and it's a fun business. So I'm gonna show you guys how to scope out the competition before you even consider buying a digital photo booth or a 360 booth. I want you guys to get familiar with who's competing in your area. First thing you're gonna do is go on Google and type in this strong keyword right here, 360 photo booth rental, and then the name of your city. I'm just gonna go ahead and do something random. We'll do Dayton, Ohio, okay? Which we'll select that one. And now on the very top of the page, I can see that there's these three suppliers, vendors, service providers, and they're both in party equipment rental, photography service, and photographer. Now, that means that it's gonna be really easy for me to go over to this state and this city and start a business and rank, because this individual only has one review and these other two that are on the very top have no reviews at all. I would be killing the game if I was in here in this particular area. I'm scrolling down and notice that there is actually one video here towards the bottom that was posted way back in 2021. Truthfully, if you're watching this video and you reside out in Dayton, Ohio, I would recommend starting a photo booth business. I got more tips, guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to rank, how to get lots of leads. This is just part one. I want to keep these videos short, so stick around, subscribe, and follow. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.